In this video, we will show you how to book your CompTIA certification exam using an exam voucher.
To start, visit the CompTIA link in the video description. This page may prompt you to complete your personal profile information and agree to some terms. When ready, click Save Updates.
Next, you will be taken to Pearson VUE scheduling portal. Start by clicking View Exams. Use the search bar or scroll until you see the certification exam you want to schedule and click the exam name. Next, you are asked to choose which version of the exam to take. There may only be one choice. If there are multiple choices, choose the version you have studied for. This is very important.
On the following page, you will be asked if you want to take an in-person test at a Pearson testing center or online using OnVUE. We will choose OnVUE in this tutorial. Once you have selected OnVUE, you will be prompted to review testing requirements for online tests. The exam proctors are very strict, and we highly recommend you review all these options carefully. Press Next when ready. Now select your exam language if you are taking the exam from outside of your country of residence, agree to the testing terms and conditions, choose your proctor spoken language, your time zone, a date for your exam, and finally choose a time slot and book your exam. The final step is to review your cart. Double-check all the information is correct and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you can pay for the exam or enter in your voucher code to prove your exam is already paid for. Once you have entered your voucher or billing information, submit the checkout page and you are all set.